Alright, so today we're installing a spoiler, carbon fiber spoiler, on my Tesla Model 3 Performance Stealth, Stealth Performance. And we're installing a performance brake pad, installing performance brake pedal and gas pedal. Installing brake pedal, performance brake pedal, installing performance brake pedal and gas pedals. So we're gonna go look at those. So here's our pedal pads and our spoiler, massive box. So we'll start, we're gonna pull these bad boys out. And those are gonna look amazing compared to the old ones. The old ones are just straight black rubber. So we'll put those back for now. And we will unbox the spoiler. So for our spoiler here, I'll pull our knife out and cut this bad boy open. All right, so here it is, straight from eBay. So we already know the quality's gonna be nice. Packaging looks surprisingly decent. This thing is light. Now let's cut this tape off here. Oh boy, this is gonna look good. This is gonna look real good. So here's our spoiler fully unboxed. Definitely sounds like plastic, but it wasn't that expensive, so I don't expect too much. And this thing is huge. Oh my lord. Let's put this thing in place and see how it looks. Oh, that's gonna look good. That's gonna look so good. So obviously it's not lined up yet, but you can see it goes from end to end, except over here it's not quite where it's supposed to be, so we'll slide that over a little bit. Boy, does that look good. And this lines up with the body line here too. Well, this is gonna be sick. Okay, so we give the whole car a good wash. Now we're gonna clay bar it, but we're gonna hit it with this quick detailer first that I picked up as part of the kit. We're just gonna spray a little bit of this on here. Wipe this off on the area we're gonna be working. Whole area is nice and quick and detailed. Turn this off. And now we're gonna grab our clay bar. And we're gonna run it over the area and make sure we're not missing anything that the eye can't see or we can't get off with the car wash or the quick detailer. And we're just gonna run this over the paint. I don't feel it picking anything up, which is good because this is a new car. But better safe than sorry. I don't want anything festering underneath this wing for however long it's on. As you can see, it did pick up some stuff. Now that we have it lined up with the edge of the trunk here, can lift it up, ruin all our hard work, and peel off the 3M tape. Okay, now we got the 3M tape off, we're gonna line it back up. That's what I'm talking about. And then this is gonna be on the edge back here too. So. Okay. Yep, that was good.
So press step?
Yep.
Oh, right here.
Okay.
Is that good?
Yep, that's it. Apply some pressure, make sure that tape seals, even though it should anyway.
You're not gonna fucking which I might be, maybe not.
Alright, so now we're going to install these bad boys. Still haven't even taken them out of the package. But first we have to remove the old ones. So basically, if you feel around the edge, there's a little lip. Looks about like, well, let's take this out. Looks about like this. I'm just gonna peel it up on the back side of the stock pedals. And just pull it away. And you'll hear it start to pop off. They are going to be a little bit stiff, so I'll put a little pressure behind it. There we go. Got that one off. That's just plastic. This is metal. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing but reverse. Okay, we got one of them on. Just took a bit of maneuvering and prying, and that's about all. Not too difficult. This corner's still underneath, actually. I'm just gonna work it around the edge, make sure it's all the way behind. And that is on there. That's not going anywhere. Cool. For the other one, okay. So as you can see, same thing pretty much. Just kind of slips on, you're gonna work the plastic around. So these two edges are the only sides that have little folds. The other ones are just solid, so. And there we go. Just took a little bit of prying. Start from the inside over here, pull it out, slip it on, and then start from this side, and I worked my way down. Easy as that. And it looks a million times better. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you like this kind of content, let me know. Leave a comment down in the comment section. Leave a like. It really helps me spread my channel around. And I read every comment, so throw some memes down there or something. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.